morning, students. As our chapter is completed this chapter 1 large number, that I have explained each and everything clearly, and I have spent so much time also to complete this chapter because you will understood very well. So now after that I am going to just explain fast what is this chapter. Means your large number of chapter first. Just I am going to revise fast. See, your chapter is large number. Now all of you familiar with number. What is number? All of you know. You have heard and you have learned from starting, from LKG. What is so? Number is a unit that we count. Here you have to learn large number means if digits will be many digits means suppose 6, 7, 8 digits, then how you will read that, how you find, how you to expand that all will see here. So first I am going to just see. Now see, I have taken some pens, pencils. This one is whitener, this is scale, these are things. Now students, just tell me, I have kept it this. Now see, first I have kept it here. This one is whitener, black pen, then this black pen. See, after that this red pen, then you have pencil. Can you tell me the places? Means the places of this pen is fixed. If I ask where is pencil, so you will say from here starting, because you know from where you have to start reading, from ones. So you will say ki ma'am, pencil is on 10th place. So first we will see what is values of the number, means place value and the face value. That I am going to explain. Just see fast. So your first is place value and face value. Suppose I have written one number, you know from where we will start, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. If I have written number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It means what? 12,376. Now if you have to read this one by one, how you will read? See. Now 6 is on one's place. 6 is on one's place. Suppose 6 is at one's place. It means the value of this 6 is what? This 6 is what we will do? 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. It means the value of this 6 is 6. Why? Because this is on one's place. If we will add this 3 is at hundreds place. So what will we do? Now we will multiply this 3 by 100. So the value of this 3 will be 300. It means we will find the value of each digit by the multiplying that place. This number is 2, but the place of this 2 is 1000. So we will multiply this 2 by 1000 and we will get the place value of this 2. In same way, we can find all the place values of the digit. Now, after that, question arises, what is face value? Now, when you are ready to come to school and when you comb your hair in front of mirror, so what you say? You just see your face, na? Your face, not others. It means the face of the each digit remains same. If I ask you what will be the face value of 6, it means the face value of 6 will be 6 itself. Face value of 7, 7 itself. Face value of 1 will be, it means the face value will be that digit itself. Face value will be that digit itself. Clear? This is your place value and face value. Your next topic is expanded form. Expanded and standard form. Now earlier you have learned how to expand. You just write the digit, and I have explained previous classes also how you will expand. As you speak the number or you tell the number in same way, you have to expand. But here how will we expand? Just see, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Suppose I have written here 6264. This one is your number. Now suppose we have to expand. Now here we learn some extra. Some extra means you have to expand the digit with the place value. Place value means I have told you have to start reading from ones, tens, 100, 1000. You can expand the digit from here also, from here also. But this will be easy for you when you start writing from 1000. So now your first number is what? 6. And 6 is on which place? 1000's place. So when we will expand it, we will write 6 multiplied by 1000. It means we will multiply this by 1000 plus you have second one 2 multiplied by 100 because 2 is on 100's place. After that we will multiply this and this 6. Now this 6 is on 10's place, so we will multiply this 6 by 10. Then we will add 4 and 4 we will multiply by 1 because this 4 is on 1's place. Now see, now multiply this 6,000, 1,006 or easily you know where when there will be so many zeros. In previous class I have explained how you have to multiply 6 ones are 6 and put all the zeros plus 200 plus 6 tens are 60 plus 4. Now this is your expanded form. When you have to write this expanded, now this one is your number, you have expanded this digit. Again when you have to write this in standard form, what you will do? Suppose this one is your question. I have expanded this digit. This digit or this expanded number again you have to write in standard form. Then what you will do? Again just make ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now make column. Just see. After that you have to writing in standard form means this expanded form you have to write in short form. Short form or standard form is the same. So now see, 4 is on 1's place, so you have to put here 4. 60 is on 10's place. 60 means 10 times 6. So what you have to write here 6. Then after that on 100's place what there will be 2. Then which digit will be around 1000's place? 6. It means you have to just see the on 1's place there you have to write 1's digit. In 6th place you have to write 10's 1. In 100's place you have to write the number that you have written on 100's place, and in 1000's place you have to write the number that you have written here in 6th place. Clear? This is your expanded form and standard form. In this way, if number there will be lakh, 10 lakh, crore, you can expand in same way. Clear? Okay. After that, now next, students, you have predecessor and successor. We have solved so many questions. This predecessor and successor is very simple. Predecessor means you have to come back 1 digit, and successor means you have to go ahead. Come back means, suppose I have written a number 627. If you have to write the predecessor of this, what you will do? You have to just subtract 1. 1 means only 1. Not 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtraction means not you can subtract any digit. Only 1 should be subtracted from this number. So if number is 627, so 627 minus 1 is equal to, your predecessor will be 626. 626 will be your predecessor, and successor means I have told you, you have to add 1. Here you have to minus 1, and here you have to add 1 plus 1. So if you have 627, so what you will do? Add 1. Then you will get 628. In this way, you have to find predecessor. Any digit will be there. In same way, when you have to find predecessor, you have to just subtract 1. When you have to find successor, you have to just add 1. But just one thing, keep it in your mind. If you have 0, if you have 0, so can you subtract 1 from 0? No. So there will not be any predecessor for 0. But for successor, there will be, you can find. When you add 1 more in 0, you will get, when you will add 1 in 0, your answer will be 1. But when you have to subtract 1 for 0, you cannot subtract. So just only you have to keep it in your mind. You don't have find, or you will not get any answer when you have to find the predecessor of 0, but you can find the successor of the 0. Bas, that's all. Okay. After that you have next topic. After that you have comparing large number. Now, comparing means, you know, when you have to compare means you can compare the number of the students, you can compare the height of the students, you can compare the money from between two people, you can compare this group also. Now see, just in my one hand there is 2 things, and in my other hand there is 4 things. So you can compare which one is, in which group there is less things and in which group there is more thing. This is the comparison. Same we can compare the digits also. Now just see how we can compare. Suppose I have written here number you have to compare 2346 and you have to compare 'the digit, always you have to start from, because I have told you, always you have to read whether you have to add, whether you have to subtract, whether you have to multiply, or your work will start from right hand side. But when you have to compare the digit, always you have to start from left hand side. So first write this 2346 and 2368. You have to compare, means when you will start comparing, always start from left hand side. Now just see, in left hand side first digit is 2 and in second number also there is 2, means this number is same. There is so many rules that I have explained, each and everything clearly there. Just I am explaining fast, just see, and you have solved also. Second way, now just see which number is here, 3, and in second group also there is 3. It means this also same. Maybe if here is 3 and there will be 8, so you can compare ki which one is bigger. But you have to just compare till you will get one or the other. Means when there will be difference between both, someone will be less or someone will be more, till you have to be compared. After that, your next number is 4. And see, in second group you have there 6. Now see, both the digits are different. It means we have to stop here. Just now compare which one is smaller and which one bigger. Obviously this 6 is bigger one. So you have to make the face of crocodile in front of bigger digit. It means this 6 is bigger. If you find it 1, so obviously all the numbers will be greater than. So how you will write at the last? At the last you have to write, so 2346 and 2368, means you can say same. 2346 is less than 2368, or you can say same answer. You can say in this way, 2368 is greater than or bigger than 2346. In this way you have to compare the any number you can compare. Okay, after that you have your rounding of numbers. This rounding of numbers means you can round nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Okay, round off nearest 10, nearest 100 or nearest 1000. For rounding off, see, I have taken 2-3 periods only for rounding. Okay, and now I know all of you have you have understood very well how to round off the digit. Just I am explaining for those who have not attended the class. Rounding off is very easy, but it's critical. Just you have to understand one thing, simple thing. Suppose I have written a number. First I am going to tell rounding means if any any digit है 0. Suppose I have written what? 10, 20, 30, 600, 800, 1000, 20,000, 50,000, lakh. At the ones place there will be 0. It means with any digit when there will be 0 at once, it means that is rounded the number. जो कहते हैं ना एकदम round में है. It means there will be 0 with digit. So suppose I have written here 236. Now for rounding, I have explained you. Number line also I have explained. In number line, okay, just see again. Those have not attended the class. I have written like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After that, now see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is middle one. I have made two groups. In one group there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in second group there is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, if abhi I will explain how you will see. If your number will be in first group, so you have to write same number, and if your number will be in second group, then you have to add 1. Abhi you don't get ki what ma'am has written. Just see here. Suppose I have written number 236. See, for rounding of number, if you have, I have told, round off nearest 10. Nearest 10 means just you have to see. Nearest 10 means first you have to find which digit we have to round off. Nearest 10 means your 3 is on 10th place. If you have to round 3 means nearest 10. So you have seen this 3. You have to compare this tens by ones. Means behind the number. If you have to round it off tens, then you have to compare that tens by ones. Okay. Now see, if the number will be behind number means which you have to be round off. Means you have to round off 3, and behind this 3, 6 is belonging which group? Earlier I have told you, if this number will be between from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you have to write as it is. You have to write this number as it is. Or if this will be after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then you have to add here 1. Simple thing. When this number will belongs in first group, then I have written here you have to write same number. And if this number will be in second group, then you have to add 1. Now you have to round off this 3 means 30. Why 30? Because 3 is on 10th place, so you have to compare with ones. Now this ones is on second group. देखो यहाँ 6. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 more here. And here you have to write 0. Then when you will add 1 more, so this will become 4, and after that you have to write number. It means your rounding of 240. Second example, see. Suppose I have written here 27,243. Again you have to round off 10. So first you have to see which digit you have to round off. Round off 10 means you have to round off this 4. Abhi you have to compare this 4 by 3. Now just 3. See this 3 is in which group? First group or second group? Now this 3 is belonging first group. See 3 is here in first group now. So if number will be in first group, so what you have to do? You have to write same number. Means here to 0 will be, but you have to write 4 as it is. Okay, and after that copy down all the digits. So your rounding figure will be 27,240. Now this one to test. Same formula will be applied if you have to round off 100. Now just see, again I am going to write number 27,346. This is your number. As I have explained, first you have to see which digit you have to round off. You have to round off 100. 100 means first you have to see on 100's place which digit is there. 3. It means you have to round off this. Now if you have to round off 100, you have to complete this by tens. So first we put here 0. Here will also be 0. Now just compare. I have told you behind the digit you have to compare. Now this 4 is on which group? First group or second group? Now 4 is on first group. So what you have to do? You have to write same. Means this 3 will be same here and copy down all the digits. It means your number will be 27,300. Simple. Same way, suppose you have to round off 1000. Now, I have taken one number 28,986. Now see 1000. 1000 means first you have to see on thousands place which number is. On thousands place which number is here. See ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now on thousands place there is 8. I mean, what you will do? You have to compare these 8 by, I have told you behind the digit. So first put here 0. Here will also be 0. Here will also be 0. Now this 9 is belonging on which group? First group or second group? Now just see this 9 is here in second group. So what you will do? Plus 1. So you have to plus 1. Plus 1 means this 8 will become 9. And here you have to write as it is. It means your answer is 29,000. In this way, you have to round off the number. Okay, I have explained each and everything. Same, there is place value chart. I have explained you how to write the digits in place value chart, how to read that number. I have given in hot question also. You have given answer very well. Okay, beta. So just see this video again and again. If you find after that same video, if you find any problem, so ask me. I will clear your doubt. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye.